Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please, if you would, share this video out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, I've got a special announcement that I want to tell y'all about at the end of this video, so please hang around for that. And I'm also going to link a video pertaining to that special announcement at the end of this video. If you would, please watch that video. Okay, into the stimulus stuff. But first, good morning to y'all. Larry Kudlow said President Trump may go higher on some items than what the Democrats are asking for. And if the House agrees, he thinks the Republican Senate will go along with it. I just don't see that happening, since most of the Republican Senate does not want a stimulus package at all. I just can't see it happening. Our best shot right now of getting a stimulus package passed is to put all of the games like this to rest and pass what's already agreed on. Y'all, anytime Larry Kudlow talks, he is just blowing hot air trying to bolster the stock market. Y'all, I believe it's his job, his role in this whole stimulus game to bring up the stock market. And I hate calling it a game, but come on, let's call it what it is. It's a game to them. It's a game to see how many votes they can get out of it. And I might add, it's to our expense. Some Democrats has been trying to get Nancy Pelosi, aka Crazy Nancy Pelosi, to take the offer from the White House of $1.8 trillion. Crazy Nancy responded by saying, "The elements of the latest proposal from the White House is inadequate, and we are still at an impasse." Crazy Nancy is getting flooded right now with letters from her own House members asking her to make a deal that would help the American people. They are saying things like for her to put her hate for Donald Trump to the side and help the American people. Y'all, it looks like that it's not only the American people that are turning against this evil lady, but a lot of her own House members are getting enough of her as well. The House this week, according to their own schedule, and we know who makes that schedule, will not be voting on a stimulus package this week. That could change, but it's not scheduled. And guess who made that schedule? Steve Mnuchin sent a letter to the Republican senators stating, "Come on, let's get together and vote to use the unused portion of the money left over in the CARES Act for a comprehension," I know I didn't say that right, stimulus package. He also says that the all or nothing approach is unacceptable. While most of us can agree on this, why can't Larry get past this point? Because Crazy Nancy has said time and time again, no piecemeal plans. Why can't Larry get this through his head. I'm going to start calling him Crazy Larry. Y'all, I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to side with Crazy Nancy on this just a little bit, not all the way. I won't tell you why. Crazy Nancy wants more PPP money as a part of a bigger package. But I still ask the question, if all the PPP money was not used it wasn't even needed in the first CARES Act, there are still $300 billion just sitting there unused, unneeded, unwanted. Then why are they fighting to get more money put in the PPP program on the bigger package? It don't make any sense unless they're going to use that money to fund their friends and families' businesses in a bigger way. President Trump is still blaming everyone else for the crap that the American people are in right now. Instead of working out a plan and making sure a package gets passed, he's pointing his finger. Y'all, this thing is all their fault. President Trump says it's all China's fault. No. It is China's fault for sending that virus over here. It is our fault for not dealing with it the right way. Y'all, it is the Republican Senate fault. It is the Democrat House fault. It is the White House's fault. It is the problem solver's fault. It is the president's fault. We are in this funk that we're in right now because they will not do the right thing. They will not put politics aside and concentrate on helping the American people. When will these people ever learn? Their future stems on our vote. And in November, I see a lot of them being voted out. If we don't vote them out, then it's our fault as American people. Okay, I got two little things I want to talk about. And here we go. Y'all, my other channel, you remember I started another channel. It was Walter Weyburn Blogs. And then I just kind of left it because it really wasn't going anywhere. I'm going to use that channel. I'm going to bring that channel back to life. So I want y'all to go over there and please subscribe to it and watch the videos. There's going to be big changes coming to that channel. I'm not going to get into it right now, but I did make a video and post it over there, and I will link it to the end of this video. And I'm giving you a little hint of what that channel will be all about. It's going to be full of information, and it's going to be very entertaining. I hope y'all will check it out. I hope if you're not subscribed to it, I hope you will subscribe to it. I'm not sure exactly when it's all going to take place. Right now, I am building out a website for it. I've got a website that I used to use for this whole thing. I'm not happy with that website, so I'm building a new website for that channel. Then I will start publishing videos over there and blogs to that website, so you can go check that out. The website is going to have blogs on it, it's going to have videos on it, it's going to have all kinds of stuff. And I want y'all to be a part of it. That channel is going to take off. We're going to see to that. If you subscribe to it, if you're not subscribed to it, please go ahead and subscribe. Help build that channel out. Again, I will post a video that I made today on the end of this video. Y'all please check it out. Also, my new book is in the links below this video. Y'all please go check that book out. It might be something you want. It's how to start a service business. Y'all, it's very easy. This is probably the best book I've ever written. I know it's the largest book I've ever written. So y'all please go check it out. It might be something you want to do. It's on my book website. The links are in the bottom. I also have new book bundles that will save you some money if you buy the bundle of 4 books, and that new book is part of one of the bundles, so don't miss out on that. Y'all, I love y'all. Please click on the video that's popping up here. It's on the other channel, and when you're there, please subscribe to that channel and leave your comments and tell me what you think about that video. I'm asking you a very important question in that video. I love you all. Ciao.